please tell her to calm down.
Do not spit on me.
I'm not. I'm talking. You're acting like I'm an animal.
August 31st, 2025. He tried to act tough with his baby mama, but ended up crying for help when cops showed up. Big talk, small energy, karma turned gangster dad into grounded child.
PRA police. PRA police. Hey, come here. No. He gonna move his life?
No.
Come on, shoulder.
No.
My shoulders. Stop resisting. I didn't do shit, bro. I just seen you pushed her, bro. She telling you. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Look at my hand. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. You have this hand. Stop resisting. Put your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Take it, bro. The neighbor stole her gun, bro.
Oh my God.
Bro, that's why we're fighting. Her neighbor took the gun. Well, you should never put your hands on her, bro.
Yeah, bro, you ain't doing it. Come on, here, head over here, right here. On my soul, my baby, no, if I fought you, bro, you wasn't no shit. On Larry. My baby's in the
Calm down.
No, you need to calm down.
You need to calm down.
Alyssa!
Dude, if you were calm, we wouldn't even be
Bro, that don't mean shit. It don't matter what weight you pick up. I'm not. I'm talking.
Bro.
Broski, you know I'm not no shit. You see me?
You can ask, but you can't tell me.
Boss, I'm telling you. I'm walking with you. You know I'm not. No, get up, bro. Get up. My baby. Can you get up? My baby's in the room.
Turn around, bro.
He refused orders, ranted about his neighbor stealing his girl, and bragged about having a gun. Seconds later, the tough guy was on the ground, begging to check on the baby he forgot while acting gangster.
5 or 10 4.
Bro, I don't know about me.
I'm worried about the little crazy.
Can you please take my baby?
Which car are you going in?
Please, bro, I'm looking at you sincerely. Please. I will calm the down.
Clark, take him. I'm
Broski, I'll calm the down. I swear. Come on.
You got anything on him?
Bro, can you calm down?
Chill out, bro. Chill
I
out.
am, bro. I'm not no weak ass nigga, bro.
No one said you were.
Oh, you're handling me like I'm.
Tell me, relax then, bro.
I will.
Relax.
Bro, look at me. The way you just did.
Bro.
Can't play. No, f you. I'm telling you,
Chill.
you need to calm
Yeah.
down, bro. On my soul, bro. That ain't nothing. You better look at my file, bro. On Larry. Can you please tell her to calm down?
You good?
Because I know you on my ass already, broski. Hey, you. Tell say, oh, listen, can you please calm down, friend?
All right, get in the car.
Bro,
Get in the car.
out of respect, that's all I'm asking. Because you been on my ass, please.
Sit down.
Can you say, oh, listen, calm the f down? Of course you get in trouble, bro.
All right.
She's... Please, bro. I will go to jail.
I didn't see anything.
Yup.
Cool.
Dude, chill out.
No, why the f would you just tell me to calm down, bro? I was f***ing with you. You know that, officer. Right or wrong?
No,
I just say, can you calm down and listen to me? Please, look at me, man.
What's your name?
I'm 37. Why the f you treat me like a little ass?
What's your name?
When you respect me like a man that you are, I'll answer. Please,
it'll be
bro.
another charge.
No, please, just talk to me like
Get
a
your
man.
foot in there.
I'm not on bullshit with you, officer.
Well, you just said you wouldn't give me your
Boss
name.
man,
That's
I
on
am.
some
Will you
bullshit.
hear me in my words, my f***ing eyes? Please,
What is your name?
Justin, can you stop doing it like that, though? Like I'm just your my baby's not acting right, officer. Look at her.
Justin, what's your last name?
Please, officer, can you tell her to calm down because she gonna f everything and my baby's in the house.
Middle initial.
Officer, I'm not getting
I'm asking
my
you
baby's
questions
4
now.
years old and they're twins and she's acting up.
What's your middle initial?
I don't want it. Can you please calm her down? I'll give it to you.
If you don't give me your phone, I'm going to give you an extra charge.
I don't give a f They're in the house, boss, please.
And officers are right there.
Tell her she's not listening, officer, please.
Answer my questions.
I will, because she'll listen to you. This is what I'm telling you.
Middle initial.
Please tell her to calm down.
Do not spit on me.
I'm not. I'm talking. You're acting like I'm an animal.
He begged, yelled, and told everyone to calm down, while losing it himself. Then he blamed his girlfriend's ADD and claimed he was just misunderstood. A perfect mix of drama, denial, and delusion.
Alyssa!
What's your...
Stop! You
in there?
It is.
Get your foot in the
Wow,
car.
beat the f out you. Get me out these cups.
What's that, man?
She just looked at me. What did y'all say something to her?
No, we haven't talked to her.
Officer, she just looked at me like some and then walked in. Did y'all tell her?
She's
Please, my
frustrated
babies.
with
Please, my babies. That's all the I swear to God, I apologize. Anything I need you, please keep it. Just making sure my daughter's okay.
Yeah, they
She's
just
impulsive. She has ADD, bro.
they just checked on him. The other officers.
I'm asking you, please.
I can't leave your
Do
side.
you have kids?
I do. I can't leave your side right now.
She's an ADD, officer, please.
I know.
No, you get where I'm coming from at least.
Yeah,
You're telling me she's taking them, but my baby.
Yeah. I know it's tough, man.
No, my daughters have taken attachment to it because their mama doesn't treat them very well. I'm not trying to be rude to you at all.
No, you're.
I swear to God, you can shut the f out of me. Please just make sure my daughters are okay.
No, man. That's not.
Officer,
When they walk back over here, we'll go check on them. Okay.
can you say something?
But they did just check on them.
I know. ADD. She just realized that shit with me. I swear, she just started getting on meds. Also, I'm not playing with you.
Who's
her or Alyssa. My woman just realized that she's ADD and not knowing it the whole time. Her kids and her mom knew it, but she didn't. That's why I said also, what did she say? Because she looked at me and frowned and shook her head as if she knew that I was telling y'all that she had that going on. And I'm not trying to say it.
Oh, no, she was giving us looks.
I'm not trying to say it, make her a bad person.
No.
I just, please,
We're used to
in
it,
a
man.
person in the
It's all
same
good.
mind. It's not that I'm not. I'm just in the car.
You know, it's all good.
They're twins. I just want them okay. Please, boss.
We're right here. They'll be okay. Promise.
The way she was looking is like she's upset for what, though?
She's upset with us.
But she looked at me is why I called y'all. Did I do something?
No.
Outside of
No.
in this house right here?
The whole time I was standing over
you
there,
hear me, boss
I
man?
could tell she's upset.
That house right there.
Yeah, they're
the brick
over there.
one. Yeah. This is how all this started.
Yeah. That's where the other officers are, but
That's why she was trying to she snapped on me and said, my gun. I said, babe, I didn't. Babe, I literally was with you. Dude, his homie slid up and grabbed it. Whoever dude's guy is that was at the house snatched her gun. And she's a foil card. And she's literally ex-military. Don't, when I say ex doesn't mean she left that the right way. And I'm only telling you that because I just gave you help.
we're getting. Oh, it's fine, man.
No, my wrist are
Yeah, try to keep them together. Don't pull apart because then you'll start twisting them.
like this.
Yeah, there you go.
But this one is too tight. Can you lift it so I can at least just get my hands together, boss?
Well, I can't take cuffs off by myself.
No,
when I'm
not
out
take it
of-
off. Is there any way I can just kind of get my hands together with this being so tight over here? Or no?
Not without me releasing it, and I can't release it without.
And I don't want to swing my feet around without. Why you thinking I'm trying to jump at? Oh, it's just really tight. You hear me, OG?
Yeah, I got you, man. Yeah, when they get back over here, we'll adjust them. All right.
Please, I f***ing apologize, but on my good day and any other day, I'll
Man,
give you a go. Look at me, I'm being real with you. I would f***ing love to give you a f***ing go.
Every day, man. I get it.
If it's military or their training. I want you to know something that I know that you don't know because it's training.
Yeah.
She knows, my baby knows. She's like, babe, I wouldn't even call the police with you. I came up under a lot of people that were in the war. I literally am
Like the Iraqi war.
hear me out, yeah. I graduated from Munlin High School.
Where's
Got
that at?
accepted in Chicago.
Chicago.
Up north. And got accepted into Columbia College downtown Chicago for music and music business.
Oh yeah.
I've had officers say, why the f*** are you as intelligent as you are and you make the dumbest decision?
He drifted into story time, calling himself smart but prone to stupid mistakes. Between humble brags and excuses, he somehow managed to romanticize his own violence, like a poet of bad decisions.
I got kicked out of the group home that I was in because I had too much control of their facility.
Yeah.
I had females in there sucking my dick. I had the other guys in there doing whatever the f*** I said. And these were women that were in the high rankings of they ran the unit or they had the position. I'm not saying that like, yeah, bro, yeah, I work where I work and these up here sucking these inmates off and treating them like that. No, not like it was more of a situation of where it was like, yeah, I didn't understand until I understood. It's like, we're young, we're youth, we have our issues and these people are here to help us. But at the same time, in the midst of helping us, some of them have their own issues. You know? I don't dog her, I really do love her. But I hate that I f***ing love her the way that I do. Sometimes I feel like I'm being a f***ing fool because of my heart.
I get you.
I ain't gonna lie, boss man, I used to, when I got out here,
I've been married and divorced. I totally get it.
when I got here, I ain't gonna lie. Put a dude in front of me and tell me you ain't gonna whoop his ass. So I came from Chicago where women will whoop a dude.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it's.
You know Ronda Rousey, right?
Yeah.
Oh, imagine her on a regular day today, having to deal with people on a regular day. Chicago, literally, my woman was telling me that she's like, babe, why do women like that, babe? I said a lot of them had a lot of brothers. Some of them just came up and they were the product of their environment.
Yep.
A lot of them cute faces though, they don't necessarily do nothing but set you up. And I was telling her that. It's literally to the point where I said, babe, you still been talking about, babe, I don't gotta call them police. I was like, I don't want you to feel that way. I just want you to know that you are good though. If something comes your way, boss, I won't give a f. Whatever you had to say, I would tear this shit up and you would have to show your ass. I'm being honest with you as a fucking man. Even right now, I would love to tear this shit up and let you show your ass.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
What, fighting?
What's fighting?
Is that what you're talking about?
All of that shit. Your techniques, the grabbing of the mace, the grabbing of... Like you're laughing and smiling.
That's not something I'll be talking to me about.
No, not like that, boss. Listen, I'm telling you right now, like, that's just where my mind is. If I'm going to fuck it up, I'm going to go all the way. You can ask my woman, I swear to God, bro. She will tell you I will not call shit because I can't call no cop free because at the end of the day, she's done seen me. I literally, and it's not to be bragging. Cop came up here one day when she lost her pistol and he attacked me and it wasn't about me, it was about her pistol.
Why does the pistol keep getting moved around like this? That's not a safe gun on her.
She don't even know how to save money, girl. She's 50. I'm 37.
Yeah.
Hear me out. I love her. But her mom, lacking in the knowledge and education, as well as just being a woman that was, her mom literally was picking cotton. She wasn't able and didn't have access to an education and raised her the best way she could. Where my woman is literally, I said, babe, you're stuck.
Enemy.
My baby is really stuck, boss.
He blamed her childhood and called it a constant war, admitting his temper but defending control. Classic ego wrapped in self-pity.
To the point, our relationship for 2.5 has been a fight and struggle. She feels like it's only your way or you're just... No, I said, babe, it's not about controlling it all. As your man, the things that I share with you or I reveal to you are things that are about me. Hey, babe, I'm a short-tempered person. Hey, babe, I'm very intellectual, excited about architectural things. You feel me? To where it's like my woman, literally her. I don't know if you know about ADD at all, but decision making.
I'm a medic as well.
Decision making is when it comes to the ADD person.
Yep.
When it comes to being logical, realistic, when it comes to an ADD person. So me and her literally fight every day. My baby can be, she will literally tell you, I acknowledge this, I acknowledge that. I said, babe, you can't just go throughout this relationship acknowledging things. You have to do something about what it is that you see.
Right.
To the point, OG, would you believe I told you I used to smoke cigarettes, hella bad, Newport ones. I've been smoking them.
Ooh, those are rough.
And that's what makes the relationship so hard. I'd be like, baby, I've stopped shit that was f***ing so hard for me and a struggle and shit that I've been doing for all my life. And you can't even do one thing for me. That's why y'all call me Bush.
I got you.
I can't lie to you. If I'm wrong, just lie me. I don't give a please, make sure my baby's okay. I've been struggling in a relationship where I don't know how to f***ing remove myself. Because I feel like the dating pool now is shit. So I'd rather deal with what the f*** I'm familiar with. And I told my babies the only reason that we're doing this is because daddy has a place for y'all to come and see.
You're doing the right thing, man.
I'm not though, boss. Don't do
Sounds like
it.
you're a good dad.
What the f*** am I supposed to do? I'm being destroyed by her, bro. Because I just want to keep it simple. I tell her, like, hey, I promise I got. I'm like, baby, you're giving me a bunch of f***ing false promises. Even to the point your daughter told you this shit. It's like, babe, have you ever realized or considered that I'm giving you everything because that's who I am? I am a giver, bro.
Yeah. Sorry,
that's why I just came with you the way I did. Because,
1 second.
Okay.
Oh.
Can we get a paper copy?
My bad. Hey, what's up? They can lock me up. Can you just make sure they're good?
I will absolutely make sure.
I don't give a f after this, honestly. Just make sure they get their mom. I'll do whatever.
Well, how am I going to get a hold of her? She's Sunday's the or she's picking up on Monday. I don't even know when.
Female.
Are the girls okay screaming?
Everyone's TV.
What do you... Are you guys taking me in tonight?
Yes.
Why are you answering for him like this? That's what the f*** you want.
Edward Lincoln, I
No,
Zebra,
I
Adam.
I told you to calm
Boy,
down.
Edward, Tom Henry, middle initial Ocean,
I
date of birth
told you to
10,
calm down.
14,
Nigga, fucking
84.
done, baby. You got all ramped up, and I can't. I try to calm you down. I can't reel you in once you go too far.
Are you really gonna sit there and say that, babe? Okay. Alright, you're right. It's on me.
When I asked you to come in,
It's on me. You're right.
Let's just learn how to be calm.
Arlissa,
I got the girls. You know I got. You know I got the girls.
I'll do whatever time I need to do. I don't care.
Ain't nobody doing time.
If I have to, because I pushed you.
You were in your emotions. We were
That's
both
cool. It's still not acceptable as him being an officer of the law. He has to abide by the law. I don't give a about me, Arlissa. I've always had to at me. I don't give a what you're saying. Can you please
Baby, we're talking
stop?
about
Officer, you know I'm not getting on bullshit. Arlissa, she's about to... Can you just make sure they are okay?
I will.
I don't give a about me.
They good.
All right, she's gonna check on him.
Officer.
In the end, the misunderstood family man earned himself charges for resisting arrest and domestic battery, proof that karma doesn't do sympathy, only receipts.